In this video, you'll learn how to manage comments and messages across social media platforms using Fanpage Karma. First, go to Engage to open your inbox. On the left side, you can find different message folders, like for example, all open messages that have not been dealt with, all finished conversations, or conversations that were postponed to a future time. Below that, there are personal folders for each member of your team that include all messages assigned to them. And then there are theme folders that include messages that have been labeled with a specific tag. In the center, you can see all messages of the selected folder, like for example posts with comments or direct messages. You can perform several quick actions right here, like for example liking this comment, or hiding it, deleting it, tagging it, assigning it, or checking it off. If necessary, you can reopen a conversation by clicking Undo. If you want to know more details about a conversation or answer it, click on it and it takes you to the chat view of the conversation where you can write your answer. By clicking on the name of the person who messaged you, a fourth area opens. It shows you the history of the user. Here, for example, you can see that Philip Schneider already left a couple of comments, and I might choose to save some information about the user, like for example a client ID or any other information. To answer to the comment, just type in your response and press send. You have the option to insert templates, GIFs, and attach files. The right side bar allows you to assign the conversation, mark it as done, tag it, ask for external feedback, add a note for your team members, or to postpone the conversation to a date in the future. This is very helpful in case you have a conversation that you don't have the answer to yet, because you need to gather some more information. You can push it 3 hours or until tomorrow, next week, or next month. This means that the conversation disappears from your inbox and reopens at the selected time, and you can deal with it then. I already answered, so I can mark the conversation as done, and it disappears from my open messages.